All right, NVMe. Optic Hobby Basketball. Let's get weird. They had Jackson, Zach LaVine, Elite Dominators. Colin Sexton. Thor, Chris Middleton. Reigning Threes. Livers. Andrew Wiggins, the 199. Nice. Lighted up. Donovan Mitchell. Silvers on those are beautiful. Kawhi Leonard, 75 years of the NBA. Oh, nice card here. Well, there's a Scotty Barnes, and then look at this. Jalen Green. Lime green to 149. Bam. Nv's, I forgot about that one. Kuzma, silver. Ooh, I think you have a gold auto. It might not be gold. It just, the reflection kind of looked gold. It is. Number to 10. I think it's an Elite Dominators auto. Flip. Devontae Graham to 10. 5 of only 10. Yeesh. A green, and a Devontae gold. Terrence Mann for the Clippers, the 99 red. Joe Wieskamp, silver. Oh, and Maravich. Nice. Cade Cunningham, silver of Terrence Mann. Good Doncic. Then move Zion and LeBron. And Static Bay. Hollow. NVMe. There you go, Optic.